Okay student, so today I will explain you or I will show you how you can draw an organizational structure of memory. Alright, means the types of memory which I explained you. How many types of memory are there? Primary and secondary. So what will how the complete structure, organizational structure of that parts of memory will look. So you can draw the computer memory structure like this. Write computer memory. Alright, then show two parts of it. First is primary memory and second is secondary memory. Secondary memory, then primary memory is of two types. First is random access memory, RAM, and second is read-only memory, ROM. How many types of secondary memory are there? So you can draw like this. Hard disk, then CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, BLU, not BLUE, BLURAY, Blu-ray disc, DISC. Then memory cards, alright, etc. Etc. means because there are lots of secondary storage devices which we can buy from market or which we can purchase to store the data as backup. Okay, and now I will tell you the meaning of or the work of all these devices. First of all, always try to remember the full form of RAM and ROM. Like RAM stands for random access memory. Okay, random access memory, it is also known as volatile memory. Volatile means which is not permanent in nature. Second is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. It is non-volatile in nature. Non-volatile means that is permanent, like our all the softwares. What is that part in the computer memory where all the softwares and computer programs which we use are stored? Okay, so in the ROM memory. Alright, then secondary memory. First hard disk, then second CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, memory card. Alright, so in the next video I will explain you the meaning of these or the working of these devices.